here to surprise Mr. Marr. He has no idea that we're here, and we're going to go into his classroom and give him his big surprise. Remember that math contest you told us about, the TI Spread the Math Love? Well, I nominated you and you won.
Are you serious?
Yes. He's been such an inspiration to me and a mentor for the last 2 years, not only mathematically, but also about hard work and challenging myself.
I had no idea what was going on. I'm surprised and I'm shocked. I'm just so thankful to her for giving me this opportunity it's a dream come true.
It's been like a 2-year process of him inspiring me and my classmates, and he's been doing it since he started, and he's just really, really passionate about what he does.